Good afternoon. My name's Jeff and I work here at Renovation Flooring in Miramar Beach, Florida. One of the growing questions that we're being asked is what type of floor covering goes in a commercial space, such as a storefront or a restaurant, things of that nature. What we're always going to recommend in that case is a floor covering that can be directly installed to the subfloor. As long as your subfloor is as flat as it can be and in good shape, you can use a glue down vinyl, glue down carpet, your tile products such as natural stone, porcelain, or a ceramic product. An additional benefit to any of these solutions is that in a commercial space, you're probably going to get damage at one point. Something's going to get dropped, customer's going to scuff up the floor. You want to have the ability to be able to replace individual sections of your floor without redoing your whole floor. And by using any of these, you'd be able to do that. If you were to use a click lock system, whether it be LVP or laminate, more likely than not, you're going to be replacing more pieces of that flooring than just the one that got damaged. If you have any other questions, you can always contact us here at Renovation Flooring in Miramar Beach, and we'd be happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you.